I'm Tony Neary. I'm the Director of Education for the Haas Factory Outlets of Morris Group. What most people don't realize is that manufacturing is alive and well. It's a really prosperous time for manufacturers in the U.S. We love the fact that all of our Haas machines are manufactured in Oxnard, California, and we work with hundreds of thousands of manufacturers throughout the U.S., and they need a workforce. Manufacturing today is high-tech, it's advanced technology, it's programming, so students that have really high math skills, love gaming, Lego builders, robotics students, these are the students that really excel in machine tool technology and CNC programs today. Right now, we really need students that are coming into the pathway that are excited, talented, skilled to come and run this equipment at all of the manufacturers that we work with. The average manufacturing compensation in the U.S. right now is just over $74,000 a year. And when you compare that to student debt, it's huge.
I was in the teaching program for the longest time, and I was fixing to graduate Wallace. And then the semester before I would have finished, I decided to try machining out, and I've loved it ever since. The machining program at Wallace is second to none. At Wallace, they do teach you the basics, and then it's up to you to further your learning on the job. I started here while I was still in school, so being able to go to school and get my education and then come to work and get paid for it while also gaining more experience, I mean, it's just, you can't beat it. That was a lot better than having to graduate and then wait until I found a job, because most places won't hire you unless you have X amount of years experience. But with the apprenticeship program, it offers you to have a job, get paid, and get experience, even though you was just right out of school or still in school. I can make that next step. I can buy a house. I can make the step to get married, to support me and my wife and our kids in the future. I couldn't have made a better decision.
I grew up knowing that, you got to go to a four-year degree if you want to have any chance in succeeding. I went and I was looking for a bachelor's degree, and then got tired of school, being in ungodly amounts of debt due to student loans. Once you come out of a four-year college, you still don't have any experience, right? I changed my career path. First, I joined the United States Marine Corps Reserves, started doing that. And once I came back from boot camp and all my training, I started working here at Camtech. Started in the press department. When this job became available, I decided to apply for it. Basically, I did the apprenticeship program to have something behind me, under my belt, so I can move forward, move further in this company. They'll send you to school, they'll give you all the tools that you need. So here, you'll get 2 to 4 years of experience that you need while going to school. I would say it's great for the colleges to have these partnerships, because some students that are coming in as freshmen, or this is their first time on their own, so they really don't know which way to go. So with these partnerships, there's a lot to learn between machining and hands-on skills. Just kind of pick up as much as you can throughout the program so you can become that ideal tool and die maker.
I want to transfer to Auburn, go to aerospace engineering. I told my dad about this program. I talked about doing drafting and engineering, and he said, the best bet is to do machining. That way you'll have a better understanding of what it's like to actually make a part versus just design it. I didn't even know what machining was when I started. I just knew that it would help me in the long run, turning nothing into something. You get to visualize, this piece of art inside of, this raw piece of material, and then bring it to life. All of a sudden you see the application of things, trigonometry, geometry. It's not just a bunch of numbers now, there's a reason behind it. I've learned a lot, and not just machining. Before I started, I was really shy and timid and stuff like that. I didn't going places and doing things. I had a lot of anxiety about it, and starting this program, it kind of got me out of that. I'm not timid anymore. I'm not nervous about doing things. I'm not scared to go on and try to ask questions and do stuff. I'm a lot more confident in myself. Graduating high school with an associate's kind of gave me a head start. It allows me to not worry about the money, knowing that I have that kind of fallback plan if Auburn doesn't work out.
My parents were always like, you know, you do what you want to do and we'll support you in anything that you want to go for. One of our instructors actually came to our high school recruiting students, and it was just, he showed us kind of different things the machinists had done and said maybe women were kind of a little bit better, I guess, in a way than men because of their attention to detail. So I was like, okay, I want to try this. So through the dual enrollment scholarship, I was able to take 3 classes, 2 a semester, and I just loved it. I fell in love, and so after I graduated high school, I decided to continue on. I told my friends that that's what I had wanted to do, and they were like, are you sure you want to do that? Like metal, like that's kind of like hands working and kind of dirt, you know, like dirty, you might get dirty, and I was like, I'm gonna try it anyway. Until last semester, I was the only girl, but it's more of like having a million brothers, I guess, than anything else. It was difficult to try something new and step outside the box, but in the same way, it was very rewarding. The machinists are in demand, always, and the education we're getting here is taking us great places. Companies are always coming in here asking, telling us about their company and their benefits, hoping that we choose to come to work for them, trying to get us placed in jobs, and our instructors do a great job at helping us get those jobs and keeping in touch with the company through them. I think any woman could be a part of this program. Any woman can be a part of a shop or anything. It's fitting.